12341234. Fusion Operating Day Schedule. The operating day schedule has the same functionality in both budget and forecast. The budget operating day schedule is copied from budget to forecast at the start of the forecast fiscal year. The left side of the page is where you set up the operating days for the unit you selected. The calendar selection allows you to select with which period or month you want to update. The calendar selection, with a white background, indicates the period or month is open every day. It also indicates there are no statutory holidays in the period or month. Operations that only mark statutory holidays can identify periods or months where statutory holidays were missed. The calendar selection, with a yellow background, indicates the period or month has some closed days, weeks, or weekends. It also indicates which periods have statutory holidays, whether open or closed. The calendar selection, with a red background, indicates the period or month is closed for the full period or month. On the period or monthly calendars, you can toggle on a date cell. When the cell has a red background, it indicates a closed day. If you click on the cell again, the background returns to white, indicating the date is an open day. This is confirmed by the text in the bottom right corner of each cell. You can also toggle on the week numbers to close the entire week. If you click on the week number again, it will open that entire week. You can toggle on the day of the week to close that day of the week. Click on the day of the week again to reopen that day of the week. Closing or opening the day of the week in any period or month only closes or opens the day of the week in the current period or month. The last toggle function is closing or opening the whole period or month. Click on the split circle in the upper left corner of the period or month calendar to close the entire period or month. Click on the split circle again to open the entire period or month. The Close All Weekends button is not a toggle button. It will close all Saturdays and Sundays in all period and monthly calendars in the selected fiscal year. Statutory holidays. The job labor schedule and the operating day schedule work in tandem. For this reason, statutory holidays need to be indicated. Statutory holidays only need to be indicated if you are using the job labor schedule. There is nothing wrong with marking the statutory holidays on unit calendars, where the unit does not use the job labor schedule. The tiny square in the upper right corner of each day cell is how you indicate a statutory holiday. This statutory holiday square is also a toggle function. If the date cell is an open date, this statutory holiday is a statutory holiday worked. If the date cell is a closed date, the statutory holiday is a statutory holiday not worked. The significance of this different state will become apparent in the job labor schedule. Copying operating day schedule to other units. You can copy the selected business unit operating day schedule to 49 other units. Click on the Copy to Unit selection. Select each unit to which you wish to copy the operating day schedule. A notification will ask you to confirm copying the operating day schedule to each unit. If you click on the OK button, the operating day schedule will be saved at the copy units. Resetting the operating day business unit or business unit selection. You can click on the X at the right end of the unit descriptions. Clicking on the Reset button will clear the original unit and all copy units. The summary graphic. On the right side of the page is the operating day summary graphic. The top graphic indicates the number of open days in the fiscal year as well as the number of closed days in the fiscal year. The next series of graphics indicates, by period or month, the number of days open per period or month, out of the total number of days in the period or month. Clicking on the Weeks button displays the number of days open, out of the total number of days each week, in each period or month.